Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about 8th August PAV news analysis. Two important news are there. CSIR CMERI Water Purification Technologies webinar and Agriculture Infrastructure Fund launch. First news is actually CSIR CMERI Water Purification Technologies. MSMEDA partner jointly with CSIR Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute organizing webinar on new technologies for various products related to COVID-19 for MSMEs with focus morely on water purification technologies. Professor Harish Hirani, Director CSIR CMRE, and Sri Vishwa Mohan Jha, Director MSME DA Partner, deliberated upon the latest CSIR CMERI developed COVID 19 technologies with focus on water purification technologies in an engaging webinar held on 7th August 2020. The main objective of this webinar was to make the industry's entrepreneurs under MSME aware that the technologies developed by CSIR CMERI provide total engineering solution and the facilities available in CSIR CMERI. Professor Hirani gave a thorough and highly analytical presentation on the array of CSIR CMERI technological inventions. Also, he stated that our primary focus should be invest in building the local talent pool so that India is ready to handle the influx of science and technology and manufacturing demand in the most capable manner. This will also help in sustaining the local communities as well as create socio-economic solutions for regional specific problems. India can achieve new heights through carefully developed design thinking, which emphasizes building strong fundamentals for a regionally diverse nation like ours, he said. The objectives technological interventions. The plasma arc medical waste disposal system can substantially help in the disposal of the large quantities of disposable masks which are creating a lot of trouble for the civic waste management authorities. The technology of IntelliMust hospital care assistive robotic device and the another one touchless soap cum water dispenser and battery operated disinfection sprayers and mechanized ventilators with oxygen concentrator were exhibited and these can help the MSME sector to sustain itself. Already the anti-COVID 19 technologies have been transferred to 13 MSCs. Also, he stated that the most important reason for flooding in urban areas is choked drainage systems. The CSIR CMERI developed mechanized drainage cleaning system can solve this perennial problem through innovative technological solutions. Also, the CSIR CMERI developed complete water purification technologies can help in easing the water contamination related woes of Bihar through cost effective and energy efficient water purification solutions. The high flow rate ion arsenic and fluoride removal technology can help in effective purification and management of water resources in both urban and rural scenarios. The CSIR CMRI developed water purification technologies have already been transferred to 47 MSCs, which showcase their tremendous popularity and acceptability. The space rationalized solar technologies and the smart lighting systems can revolutionize energy efficient power resource management in future. And second important news is about Agri Infrastructure Fund. Prime Minister Modi will launch the financing facility of rupees 1 lakh crore under Agriculture Infrastructure Fund on 9th August via video conferencing. He also released the sixth installment of funds 17,000 crores to 8.5 crores farmers under PM Kisan scheme. The Union Cabinet has approved the central sector scheme of financial facility under Agriculture Infrastructure Fund of rupees 1 lakh crores. The funds will catalyze the creation of post-harvest management infrastructure and community farming assets such as cold storage, collection centers, processing units, etc. These assets will enable farmers to get greater value for their produce as they will be able to store and sell at higher prices, reduce wastage, and increase processing and value addition. Rupees 1 lakh crore will be sanctioned under the financing facility in partnership with multiple lending institutions. 11 of the 12 PSUs have already signed MOU with the DAC and FW. 3% interest subvention and credit guarantee of up to rupees 2 crore will be provided to the beneficiaries to increase the viability of these projects. The beneficiaries of the schemes will include farmers, PACs, marketing cooperative societies, FPOs, SHGs, joint liability groups, multi-purpose cooperative societies, agri-entrepreneurship, startups, and central state agency or local body-sponsored private-public partnership projects. He also released a sixth installment of direct cash benefit of over 75,000 crores to more than 9.9 crores farmers. This has enabled them to fulfill their agriculture requirement and support their families. The rollout and implementation of the PM Kisan scheme has happened at an unparalleled pace, with funds being directly transferred into the Aadhaar authenticated beneficiaries' bank account to prevent leakage and increase convenience of farmers. This scheme has also been instrumental in supporting farmers during the COVID-19 pandemic through the release of nearly 22,000 crores to aid to the farmers during the lockdown period. Thanks for watching IABS IAS Academy's YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for our daily PIB AAR Hindu news analysis. Thank you.